Here are some baked goods that are generally considered to be extremely profitable. Number one, cookies. With a basic set of ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter, cookies are relatively inexpensive to produce. They can be sold individually or in larger quantities. And there's always room for premium offerings like organic ingredients or gluten-free varieties. And for, let's say, here's a great example. Let's say it costs you 50 cents to produce one cookie, and you sell that for $2 a cookie. Your profit margin is 75% on cookies. Now, what I would recommend, here's a pro tip. Don't sell cookies at a local farmer's market or local event individually. Sell them in a package because the actual transaction amount will be much more, and your profit margin will be a lot greater and better if you sell them in quantity or bulk as opposed to individually. Next up, number two, cupcakes. Yes, these miniature delights can be sold at a premium, believe it or not, especially when decorated beautifully or infused with other unique flavors. If a cupcake costs you on average of $1.50 to produce and you sold it for just $4, now these are oversized size cupcakes, decorative with different toppings or what have you on the top, you can be looking at a 62.5% margin. That is insane. So I would recommend, pro tip, sell them in groups of 6. Get a container. They sell them. You can buy them online. Sell it 6-pack or 12-pack in increments of 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. Okay? That way, the transaction will be much greater than just one individual cupcake, and you'll be making much more money. Number 3, believe it or not,